Bonjour, good morning. Hope you are doing good. I'm very glad to meet you once again to share today not an expression but expressions. Yes, if you don't know, all over the world we have elections, and particularly when you take the country where I am, yeah, if you don't know, I am in Ghana. Yeah, that is exactly where I am. So if you don't know, very soon we will go to the what? The election. Definitely we will vote. The polling day, of course, is ahead of us in few days. So I just took that opportunity to share some expressions with you. When you talk about the elections, yes, we have some expressions over there. So we will discover those expressions in French. I'm very sure you know it already in English, so it won't be a big deal for you. But you will definitely learn those expressions in French. So what are we talking about? We are talking about the election, right? So the election or the polling or the vote in French is l'élection. Election. Election. So the election, l'élection. The polling, le scrutin, or the vote, le vote. So they are synonyms. Okay. The next one, when you talk about election, we talk about campaign. I'm very sure. The campaign in French is la campagne. La campagne. Very simple. La campagne. So when we talk about campaign, we talk about the constituency. So in your constituency, you will do the campaign, right? So we talk about the constituency, in French, la circonscription. La circonscription. Some can use la circonscription électorale. La circonscription électorale. When you talk about the election, we talk about the election campaign. That is la campagne électorale. So the election campaign, la campagne électorale. When we move forward, definitely you need a candidate. So if you are doing the campaign, it is for a candidate. So the candidate in French is le candidat. Le candidat. The D-Day, you will definitely go and vote. The D-Day, if you don't know, in French is le jour J. Le jour J. The D-Day can be a day for the exam or maybe whatever you want. You can take the examination, the vote. But here we are talking about the election. So we have the polling day or the election day. And then when you take that one too, in French is la date de l'élection. La date de l'élection. That is the polling day or the election day. La date de l'élection. So when we wake up that day, I'm very sure as a good elector, you will definitely go somewhere. So the good elector or the elector in French is l'électeur. L'électeur. You definitely will wake up, you will take your bath, you will dress well, and then you will go to the polling station. The polling station. So the polling station in French is le bureau de vote. Le bureau de vote. I'm very sure you will not go to the police station with empty hand. No, you have something that will assure definitely that yes, you can vote. I'm talking about the voter card or the voter ID card. So the voter ID card in French is la carte d'électeur. La carte d'électeur. La carte d'électeur or the voter ID card gives you the right to vote. An expression, the right to vote. And the right to vote in French is le droit de vote. Le droit de vote. When you go there, they will give you something, right? What am I talking about? The ballot paper. The ballot, paper. So when you take the ballot paper, that is the ballot paper, of course, in French, is le bulletin de vote. Le bulletin de vote. So when you take the ballot paper, the bulletin de vote, you will go somewhere. You will go somewhere. I'm very sure. You will go and hide yourself and then do whatever you want to do. That is to vote. So straightforward, you will go to the polling booth. The polling booth. So in French, the polling booth is l'isoloir. L'isoloir. So when you go, you will definitely do something. That is to vote. And to vote in French is voter. Voter. Then you will take another words, verb there, to elect, élire, or to choose, choisir. Then you are doing the right thing. So you will just take your candidate. When you finish to vote, you will take the ballot paper, you take the ballot paper and then you go and put it in what? The ballot box. The ballot what? Box. So right after choosing the candidate, you will put the thing into the ballot box. So the ballot box in French is l'urne. L'urne. You can take maybe l'urne électorale, the same thing. So l'urne or l'urne électorale. I'm very sure when you finish, you've done well. But don't forget, we have to do something right after the vote. That is counting of votes. Counting of votes. You see, but it's not necessary for you to stand there. You can go home, you rest, and then you wait for it. So after the counting of votes, that is le dépouillement in French. Counting of votes, le dépouillement. Le dépouillement. Okay? I'm very sure when they are counting, you will be in a hurry to know exactly who is the winner. Then we are talking about the result. I'm very sure. The result. When you take the result in French, is le résultat. Le résultat. And if you know the result, if it is the president, you will definitely take or elect another president. If it is for the president, so the president in French is le président. Le président. I think you've learned something today with me, the one on the One TV. These are new expressions. Just use them. Not only for this one, but in general. Yes, something. I have to thank someone. That is another words sponsor for the One TV. This is something I have and is the map. Hold me. I call it hold me, but it is the key holder. For me, just to tell that, yes, I, Eugene Sheko, the one, I am for the peace before, during, and after election. I pledge for peace. Take care and see you next time. Au revoir.